Certain signs indicate a leaky gutter. Look for rotting fascia boards, puddles near downspouts, or other signs of moisture damage. Also, check for dents and cracks. These cracks and dents can cause leaks. Over time, wear and tear can increase the width and depth of the dents and cracks. Even if the problem is minor, it can eventually affect other areas of your home. Ideally, gutters should last for 50 years or more. But, if they are old, you'd better consider having them professionally cleaned. The process can be arduous and damaging to the system itself. Moreover, improper maintenance can lead to expensive damage to your home's walls, foundation. As such, maintenance is crucial before replacement. Gutters are a major part of your roof's overall structure and are an essential part of maintaining your home. They channel stormwater away from the home and away from the foundation. While you might have been satisfied with them for decades, they do have an expiration date. If you are not diligent about cleaning and maintaining your gutters, you may be surprised to find that they only last for a few years.